When I made these potatoes, I was blown away. Let's start with a kilo of cocktail potatoes. Toss them in a bowl of water and boil until tender. Check if they're done and take them out of the pan. Once drained, put them in a baking dish and mash them well. I used foil, but parchment paper is better if you have it. It's much healthier. Let's go. Comment your country or city for a shout out in my next video. Surprise me. Drizzle olive oil for crispiness and add a pinch of salt. Bake until they're golden brown and crispy. Now take 100 grams of ham and slice it super thin. Folks, where are you watching this recipe from? Let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, let's head to the stove. Add a splash of oil to the pan. We heat and brown the ham, stirring well for even color. If you've made it this far, you like this recipe. Comment, I love potatoes for a special shout out next time. Shout out to Teresa Carantonio from Colombia and Liliana Isabel Segreto from Argentina. Once the ham is nicely browned, set it aside. Next, we'll use some cilantro. Chop it finely and grab some parsley and do the same. Parsley is the secret ingredient that balances everything. And of course, we need a good sprig of leek or green onion. What do you call it in your country? Let me know in the comments. Put all the chopped ingredients in a bowl. 2 spoons of mayo, 1 of Greek yogurt for a creamy light sauce. Squeeze half a lemon for that tangy kick to balance flavors. Add cilantro, parsley, leek and mix well to combine all flavors. Hey, before we continue, I have a curious question. If you had to pair these potatoes with something else, what would it be? Maybe a special sauce? Some roasted veggies? Tell me, what comes to mind? Can you imagine? It'd be awesome to try something you recommend. Once the potatoes are dry and golden, we'll cut them into small pieces. Fun fact, this cooking method makes the potatoes super crunchy. You'll love them. In a large bowl, we'll mix the potatoes, crispy ham, and our dressing until well combined. Before I taste this, rate it from 1 to 5. Am I on the right track? Actually, I saw this recipe on Armando's profile and got curious to try it. So, think this recipe will surprise me as much as I expect?